Types of data interpretation. As discussed earlier, data can be presented in three ways: textual, numerical, and visual. Based on these data types, data interpretation can also be categorized as follows. Textual data interpretation. Textual data interpretation refers to the process of analyzing and extracting meaningful insights from text-based data, such as written words, documents, or speech. This interpretation involves identifying patterns, themes, and key information from the text to understand its meaning and draw conclusions. It is used mostly when the data is not large and can be easily understood by reading. Textual presentation is not suitable for large data. For example, tabular data interpretation. Tabular data interpretation refers to the process of analyzing and drawing conclusions from data presented in a table format. The data is usually organized in rows and columns, making it easier to compare values, identify trends, and make sense of complex information. Tabular data interpretation involves extracting meaningful insights, spotting patterns, and drawing conclusions based on the numbers or categories presented in the table. For example, graphical data interpretation. Graphical data interpretation refers to the process of analyzing data that is presented in graphical formats, such as charts or graphs. These visual representations help to easily understand patterns, trends, and relationships in the data by transforming complex numbers into images. Graphical data interpretation allows for quick comparison, trend identification, and conclusion drawing, which might be difficult to achieve from raw data alone. Some common types of graphs used for graphical data interpretation include bar graphs. The data is represented using vertical and horizontal bars. It is used to compare quantities across different categories. Line graphs. A line graph is created by connecting various data points. It is used to show changes over time or trends in continuous data. Pie charts. Pie charts have the shape of a pie, and each slice of the pie represents the portion of the entire pie allocated to each category. It is a circular chart divided into various sections. Each section of the pie chart is proportional to the corresponding value. It is used to represent proportions or percentages of a whole.